Welcome home to 235 Bird's Eye View Drive at Ridge Point. Meticulously maintained 3-bedroom townhouse featuring new LVP flooring and entryway, stairs and kitchen, a primary suite with vaulted ceilings and large closet, custom window shades throughout, and open kitchen to dining area. Additional space on the ground level has rough-in plumbing installed for future finishing opportunities fitted to your needs. Relax with a tranquil back deck that goes out to the backyard, which is perfect to let pets out with ease. The view is one of a kind with overlooking vistas of downtown Morgantown. With its close proximity to I-79, I-68, downtown and University Town Center, 235 Bird's Eye View is an unbeatable location.